So 18 over 35, let's do it. We can do it. Let's go. So the equation that we are dealing with right now is a special equation called perfect square trinomial. And in order to solve your perfect square trinomial, so there is quite like a simple stuff, not stuff, but step to follow. And they are the following. So you just square the first term, square the last term, you keep the sign in the middle, and square the whole thing out. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you just not square, actually you get the root of the first term, the root of the last term, and just square the whole thing out. So the root of the first term is going to be y, because the root of y squared is y. The root of the last term is going to be 7, and you keep the sign in the middle, and then you square it. So we're going to develop it. So it's going to be y minus 7 by y minus 7. So it's really important. So don't put y minus 7 and y plus 7, because if you do put the plus over there, once you'll develop it, so you will use your 7y, you will end it up with something like y squared minus 49, which is not what you're looking for. That's another kind of equation called difference of two square. So that's not what you're looking for. So you're dealing with a trinomial equation, which is perfect square equation, perfect squares trinomial equation, some kind of thing like that. So that's what you're dealing with. So don't put the plus in the middle, please. It's not mathematically speaking correct, or correctly mathematically speaking. So it's gonna be a negative and a negative. So you just have that two times. And you're gonna develop it. So it's gonna be y by y negative 7 and negative 7 by y negative 7. It's really important to get the negative 7 because that's the sign in front of the 7. So it's going to be a y squared minus 7y negative 7y plus 49, which is y squared negative 7 plus negative 7 is equal to negative 14x, not x squared because you're not multiplying anything, plus 49. Is that what we had at the beginning? Yeah, that's what we did had at the beginning. So your factors are going to be y minus negative 7 by y minus negative 7, or factor y minus negative 7. So it's I always forget the name of the equation. It's a perfect square, not a perfect square. What's it called then? It's it's a perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomial. So that was it for 18. So let's get into 19.